Hey guys, and welcome back again to my another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how we can make a very simple landscape illustrations for wall art or deco art, whatever you say, so that you can print and let's get started. Okay, now I'm going to do rough concept. So let's here, and there will be a bush a little bit, and in the middle there will be a house and a tree that will give a shade, and some mountains and the clouds, some birds. Let's select all of them and make it a little bit down, and let's create another layer and lock this thing. And now I'm going to reduce the opacity, and let's go in it. And now I'm going to do just vectorize everything, and I'm coming back again. And now let's make the house. And let's add the window, and now let's make some bush. And for this case, I'm going to add details on the landscape. Let's make it. Okay, now let's go for the mountain in the horizon. Now I'm going to create another layer. And now I'm going to go for the sky. So this is our cloud, and I'm going to add a little bit of detail, but not too much, a little bit. All right, here we go. And for the birds, let's add some very simple shapes and add some of them here. Okay, our initial illustration is complete, and now let's go for the coloring. At the beginning, I'm going to color the sky layer first, which will be much better to get the color idea. And my mind has only 3 colors: blue, yellow, and green. And let's make it happen. And at the beginning, I'm going to use the gradient, and let's use it. Awesome. And let's push it backward. It's fine now. Okay, now I'm going to go for the first layer now to color it. And this is going to be a little bit of dark, and at the end it will be lighter. And let's select the second one. Let's make it a bit darker, and this one a little bit more darker. And now for the ground, I'm going to select the main ground layer, and it will be yellowish with high contrast. Now let's go for the front one, and it will be a little bit of brighter and more greenish. And this one will be darker till to the green tone, and this one as well, but more dark, and this one is more darker. And now as I can see, there are some problems, like it's a yellow color, and here it is green color, so which lead a little bit of conflict and some little bit of problem. Now I'm going to select it, make another layer, just kind of barrier you could say, and reduce the color and tilt it into a little bit of green. so it just gets blended. All right, now let's go for the house. And in here, as you can see, it looks very big. Now I'm going to minimize it, like it will be a little bit of far away. So I think that will look much better. And now I'm going to select the house and minimize it. Let's keep it in the middle. And a little bit up. And now the house, it will be pure white. Okay, now here is one thing I missed, is that the shadow. For the shadow of the housing, I'm going to make another layer of the house and let's make it a little bit darker with the blue theme. There we go. And at the roof, let's make it something reddish. And let's color the bush. It will be green. Yeah. And for the tree, it will be the same color, but let's add a detail. And let's make it dark. Okay, for now I'm going to color the horizon and the mountain. So in the mountain, it will be much more blue color, as I'm thinking. And I think adding one more layer, it will get much more sense, in my opinion. Let's add it. That's done. And let's make it a little bit of dark. And now let's color the cloud. Okay, now it's gonna be a little bit of shadow color and it will be pure white. Okay, now I forgot the bird. Yeah, it will be definitely black or some gray scale or maybe blue color. And everything is finished. Now let's select everything and slash. It's done. And I think there needs some tweak, definitely. Let's make the tweak. Let's see which ones look good. It's not working. Let's color a little bit. I'm just working on CMYK, so that's the reason it's a little bit of a problem now. And for here, let's modify the opacity. Here also, and also for this one, let's reduce the colors or change the color theme, or maybe we can increase the color. And for this one also, and this one as well. And let's reduce the color opacity of all the front grass. All right, so that's the illustrations, as you can see. Just let me know what you think about this minimum concept, and yeah, just your comment is appreciated. So if you need any illustrations for me and any commission art, just let me know the comment. Reach me out to the Fiverr and I will be there, and I will turn your idea, dream, concept into artboard. So guys, thank you and have a great time and have an awesome day.